Hello, in front of me I have Motorola Moto G56, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use Smart Clipboard feature in the Smart Connect app. Alright, so let's begin. So as you can see, I have already opened the Smart Connect app on my PC, and I'm already connected with my Motorola. Also, when you take a look on my Motorola, I'm also connected in the Smart Connect app. If you don't know how to connect your Motorola with your PC, on our channel there is a video when I'm showing you the whole process, so if you want you can look for it. Alright, now let's open up the computer on the Motorola, and in here we have the Smart Clipboard feature, as you can see. And also we have that feature on the PC. It doesn't matter where you will launch it. Let's launch it on the PC first. Now let's click on the information button, and in here we can see how this works. So, recently copied screenshot, photos and text shared between your PC and your Smart Connect devices. Okay, now let's click on OK. And now on our device, let's take a few screenshots, for example. Let's also type some text. Now let's copy it. Click on copy, and now you can see that it has already appeared on our PC under the Smart Clipboard. So for example, I'll click on that screenshot. It has been successfully copied into the device and opened in the Gallery app. Now I will copy the text. Now I'll launch the search bar just to show you, and now I'll use the shortcut Ctrl plus V, and I have successfully pasted the copied text. Alright, so that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.